Hello everybody, my name is Miss Mouse123 and welcome to Wolf Quest. And today I'm going to be doing an online thing. I'm going to make my own online server, and I'm going to see if anybody joins and we're going to start a quest. So this is part 1. So yeah, let's get into it. So it's going to be Raise Pups. It's going to be South Creek, it's going to be Dawn and Text Chat, Crate Game. To and start game. Let's do this. So yeah, let's go. By the way, oh no, I was going to do something, but I was gonna say my friends. I was gonna say I was gonna just say quick hi to my friends, but so one of my friends, but I'm not sure if they're gonna be okay with that, so I'll ask them tomorrow. And ooh. Okay guys, so there's now a person here. Want to help me? Do you want to help me, Megan? Oh, Tino. See my heart across the line. Let's go. Okay. Is your computer? Is your computer? Is your computer bad? Is your computer bad? Hello, little bunny. What's the hair again? That may sound cool, but what am I doing? I need to cross it. Okay, let's cross. Okay, let's go. She's crashed. Okay, so this is one of the best places to go. Oh, I usually go to Sadie Meadows, but Aspen. Is that Aspen Heights? Yes. So Aspen Heights. Oh, she's entered the game again. Okay. Let's go. I think. Wait, guys. So I have Bandicam and I haven't got the full version, so it's gonna be 10 minutes long. Yeah, so it's gonna be 10 minutes long. Hang on, guys, I'm gonna sneeze. Bless you. Whew. Oh wow, I've never sneezed during a video before. First time sneezing. So it should be this way. Usually, guys, if I sneeze, it's going to be it's gonna be like, I don't know how to explain it. It's going to be it's going to be yeah, it's going to be 10 minutes. That's why you'll find all my videos are 10 minutes. There is a nearby den. If you find it, you can choose to make it your home, where you raise your pups. Okay. So if you guys don't know where this what this is about, you will find out. Don't worry. So there's a den nearby. It's at the centre bit. So yeah, it's here. Oh, this isn't where. This looks similar to the one. Make this my den. Make this my den. Thank you. You're going to raise your pups. Okay. Mark your search. So we need to press P to we. Yeah, P to P. Well, that is actually quite helpful because P is P. So yeah. Once I've finished with the Wolf Quest series and so the Wolf Quest series and the the Wolf Quest series and the Minecraft Dinosaur series, I'm going to do a Skyrim one maybe not. I might do a Agario, Agair, and Teen Wolf Megan 354 keeps on like not lagging out, but just like she keeps crashing out. It's not gonna be good if she's helping me with the pups. If she does come back. Oh, that's annoying then. To wait for somebody else. She entered, then she left, then she entered. She's on the phone to somebody about it. Oh my days. Can you even hear me? I think you can. I'm not sure. If you can't hear me, that's gonna be bad. But if I upload it and like it's not done, yeah, that'd be bad. That really would be bad. Actually, we should probably go hunting for deers because that's important because the pups, they need to eat. And I have a feeling we chose a bad place. Oh wow, there's like it's not the best because Saddle Meadows, it had a thing there, but that's just like right across. Yeah, I think we did choose a good place. So let's do this. Can you eat from the hair carcasses? That'd be cool if you could. Don't know if you can though. I don't think you can. You might be able to, I don't know. I'm not really that sure about it. Oh, come on, Megan. Please come back and stop crashing. By the way, guys, I don't know any of these people. I'm just talking to them. I know it sounds dangerous. Probably is dangerous. But I missed Mouse 123. I take risks. The female would be called Maddie. Yeah, so Maddie Ridian. Yeah, so Maddie Ridian. Maddie Ridian. Jake and Yana. So yeah, train your pups. Pretty easy because I am not used to this. Okay, let's go. I need to go get food like so quick. Where was that hair carcass? There's a hair carcass. Oh, that's nice. It's not like really bad. So yeah, guys. So I do have dinner right now. And my sister's coming up. So guys, I will leave this episode here and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.